I also supplied a story. I don't know if it made it in or not on the new controller as well.
Yeah.
You got that in there as well?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness gracious. Well, you're absolutely on fire today. Not that I expected any different. This one snuck up on me. I didn't even realize this was going on. DualSense Edge. The best controller ever made, according to Game Central. The best controller ever made? Big words, man. PS5 gets a new iteration of the DualSense controller that's more customizable and more expensive. Well, of course it would be. People love to go in there and customize these things. We saw it happen with the likes of Scuff and these other...
Xbox had their own, like, Elite
Oh,
series.
my God. Remember that?
Yeah. And you liked it.
You're putting the paddles and...
Uh-huh.
I like the aesthetic of that one, too, with the sort of brushed aluminum components on top of the matte black finish. It was very...
Tasty.
Whatever else, I mean, you're not supposed to eat it, but I gave it a shot. Whatever else is said about the PlayStation 5, there are very few people that would argue that the DualSense controller isn't a major improvement on the previous designs. I do like this controller. Extremely iconic. This is true. However, Xbox did go out and make the Elite series, as you suggested, Will, so maybe they felt a little bit behind. I see the price quoted up top as 209 British pounds, which is holy guacamole. That's a big boy right there. You want to do the conversion on that? No, don't even bother, because we just know it's a lot in USD. It's going to be released Thursday, January 26th. And what is today? 24. Oh, can we get one of those? You know anybody over there? That sounds like a YouTube short to me.
Yeah, I think we have it here.
Easy.
Yeah.
You're screaming at me. Wow. Of course, it'll charge up over USB Type-C, as it has in the past. And here, Will's going to show us a video of some of the wonderful new developments. Ultra customizable controls. Look at this. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We're going to swap out. We're going to swap out the caps. Yes, the different modules on the thumbsticks. We're going to be able to swap them out. Concave, convex. Oh, get out of town. Let's just put some different paddles in, map them differently, Scuff style, button mapping. Look at the Rocket League, Will. People are excited about this. Adjustable trigger stop, so you're faster on the trigger when you're playing your games. Tunable stick sensitivity in dead zones. What is this game? That's the one you were playing.
Horizon.
Yeah, you got the Horizon. Adaptive triggers for your Gran Turismos. And your braided cable with a lockable connector housing so it doesn't come loose at the wrong time.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're going to get excited. Control profiles and settings. You just love when you see an iteration and all types of improvements, don't you? Look at the custom case to fit the custom controller. You go to your friend's house and you charge it through the case. And you charge it through the case. And you go to your friend's house and your friend looks over at you and he's completely jealous and he's like, man, why you got to do me like that? I invite you over. My mom made sandwiches and you got to pull this thing out. You got to pull that one out.
Yeah.
You know the feeling I'm talking about. Well, this is very exciting. I just love to see it. You make an iteration, you listen to people, you make the improvements. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. You get the good battery life out of it. January 26th, very soon. I think some people might buy that thing, even at that insane price tag. I don't know what the USD is going to be, $250, something like that.
It's something.
For those,
it's not nothing.
For those heavy hitters.